I'm Oliver, a digital marketing consultant specializing in helping small and medium-sized businesses grow and thrive in the digital world. If you, like me, have tried various marketing automation tools only to feel frustrated by the lack of results or the complexity of the processes, this story will resonate with you. What frustrated me the most was the low conversion rate. For every 100 visitors to my website, barely one would become a customer. I knew my work was solid, but the tools I was using weren't keeping pace with my business. Worst of all, I had to handle all the technical aspects myself, a real nightmare for someone with a packed schedule. The real light bulb moment came when I realized how dependent I was on platforms like Google and Facebook without having real control over my leads and clients' data. I didn't have direct access to contact information, and when a campaign succeeded, it felt like I was always on the verge of losing everything. On top of that, I constantly worried about data security and changes in privacy laws, like GDPR, which made my heart race. I knew I needed a change. I needed a solution that unified everything I required, was easy to use, fully integrated, and allowed me to automate the entire process without losing the personalization my clients valued so much. I was exhausted. The workload was consuming me. I no longer had time to focus on strategy or creating relevant content because I spent my days managing campaigns, segmenting email lists, and trying to improve email deliverability. Every time I launched a new campaign, the fear of my emails landing in spam or having a low delivery rate loomed over me. I watched competitors achieve better results, automating processes with more efficient tools and better data control, while I was stuck in a web of disconnected platforms. The lack of tangible results frustrated me. I knew I could achieve more, but it felt like everything I tried fell short. I was drowning in manual work, unable to scale my business as I knew I could. That's when a colleague recommended Klick Tipp to me. I decided to give Klick Tipp a try, and I couldn't be happier with my decision. Right from the start, the ease of use impressed me. The interface is simple and intuitive, and within minutes, I was creating my first automated campaign. One of the first things I noticed was a high email delivery rate. The tool ensures your messages land in your recipients' inboxes, no matter what platform they use. This alone gave me immense peace of mind because I knew my emails would be seen, something that didn't happen with the other tools I had used. Another major advantage of Klick Tipp is the complete control it gives over my leads data. I now have my own database, free from external dependencies. I no longer worry about platforms suddenly changing their policies. On top of that, Klick Tipp is fully GDPR compliant, giving me legal peace of mind regarding how I handle my clients' data. But the biggest benefit I experienced was marketing automation. I can now create campaigns that work for me 24/7. Klick Tipp personalizes communication with my leads and clients in ways that were never possible with previous tools. My campaigns became significantly more effective, and my conversion rate skyrocketed. Within just a few months, my conversion rates increased by over 300%. What I love most about Klick Tipp is the autonomy it offers. I can create highly effective sales funnels, precisely segment my audience, and, most importantly, build closer relationships with my leads. Campaigns are now far more personalized, and the results speak for themselves. Moreover, Klick Tipp's technical support is a real game changer. Whenever I needed help, their team was quick, efficient, and provided practical solutions. This saved me time and prevented countless errors. If you're a consultant, entrepreneur, or professional tired of wasting time and money on ineffective marketing tools, Klick Tipp is a solution you need. It not only automates your campaigns, but also ensures you have complete control over your data and that your emails reach your leads effectively. I highly recommend giving Klick Tipp a try. You can start with a 30-day guarantee and explore all its features. Personally, I can no longer imagine working without it. If you want to improve your conversion rates, boost efficiency, and truly scale your business intelligently, Klick Tipp is the way to go. Click here to try Klick Tipp now. Your digital marketing transformation starts today.